As the title suggests, you can win up to 1 million in a lottery. Everyone wants to try their luck at some point, but if I tell you there is a way where you can try your luck without losing a single penny, yes, you heard me right. There is a way in the UK to participate in the lottery without losing a single pound. Interesting, right? Not only this, it is backed by UK government, so your money is secured and protected. Now the question is how? And the answer is premium bonds. Premium bonds are a unique saving product offered by the UK NS&I, National Savings and Investment. Unlike traditional saving accounts, they don't pay interest. Instead, they offer the chance to win tax-free prizes in a monthly draw. I will cover the benefits and drawback of premium bonds, how to apply for them, and most importantly, are they the right choice for you? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what premium bonds are. Each bond costs £1 and they are entered into a monthly prize draw. Prize range from £25 to whopping 1 million. The more bonds you have, the better chance of winning. It is as simple as that. Now, let's look at the pros. The biggest advantage is potential for tax-free prizes. With premium bonds, there is also no risk of losing your initial investment, and you can cash in your bonds at any time without penalty. That means you can withdraw your money whenever you need it. So, in summary, any prize win is tax-free. There is no lock-in period, and your savings are safe with government guarantee. Great, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are cons to consider. The most significant is the lack of guaranteed return. You might never win a prize, and over the time, inflation can erode the value of your investment. Premium bonds can be a fun way to save, but they are not for everyone. If you are looking for a guaranteed return, you would be better off with the high interest saving accounts and a fixed term deposit. If you have not watched this video, go and check out this video which is returning the highest interest cash ISA right now. I will put the NS&I link below in the description if you are interested in opening an account and want to try your luck. But before you do that, watch the next part of the video to see, is it a right choice for you? So, how do you decide if the premium bonds are right for you? It depends on your financial goals and your appetite for risk. If you enjoy the thrill of potentially winning a big and don't need the regular income from your savings, then premium bonds could be an exciting option. Let's break down the numbers. The annual prize fund rate is currently 4.4%. But remember, this is not the same as an interest rate. Your actual returns depends on the luck. The more bonds you hold, the better your average return is likely to be. But there is no guarantees. To give you an idea, if you have £1,000 in premium bond, statistically you are likely to win nothing. But if you have £50,000, which is the maximum limit, you could expect to win around 0.9% or £450 a year with an average luck. Now, I will not go into more details and leave the probability maths to you guys to find out. It is important to note that premium bonds are backed by Treasury, making them a secure investment. However, they are not protected by the FSCS scheme because they don't need to be. The government guarantees them. If you are considering premium bonds, use NS&I online calculator to estimate your potential winning based on the amount you are thinking of investing. It's a handy tool that can help you make a more informed decision. Now, buying a premium bond is straightforward. You can purchase them online through the NSI website, by phone or by post. The minimum investment is £25 and the maximum is £50,000. As I said earlier, I will leave the website link in the description in case you are interested to test your luck. In conclusion, premium bonds offer a unique combination of security and excitement. They are not for those seeking regular or guaranteed returns, but they can be a fun addition to your diversified saving portfolio. In my personal opinion, I would use them as a parking account where I can keep my money, which is readily available whenever I need it. And of course, try my luck. Who knows when you will get lucky, right? On the contrary, if you are getting a good interest rates in the savings account, then definitely it's a good choice, as you will get a guaranteed amount for your money. That's it for today's episode on UK premium bonds. Remember, investing is a personal, and what works for one person may not work for another. Do your research, consider your options, and as always, happy saving. Cheers.